Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, we are in the last week of getting ready for Christmas and so busy in making our Christmas sweets. Are you looking for a quick and easy recipe to add to your Christmas sweets tray? Then here I am with my sugar cookies recipe. A recipe that you can follow so quick, easy, and the sugar cookies ready within an hour's time. So let's get baking the sugar cookies. To make these, I have taken here 1 cup of softened butter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the sugar powder to the butter and beat it till it turns light and fluffy. In between, if need be, scrape the sides and the bottom and continue beating it. And friends, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do it now. And also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video every week. And if you like my videos, please do like, share with your friends and family members, and keep watching Melita's Delicacies. Add the salt to the butter and also add the flour in batches so that it helps in incorporating everything together well. Once all your flour is added, then you get this crumbly kind of consistency dough. Bring these crumbles of dough together. Make sure that you do not put too much of pressure. Just with your fingers, bring it to a combine. The heat of your fingers will melt the butter and help you to bring this. At this stage, bring the dough on a tabletop and knead it for a few minutes more so that turns into nice and smooth dough. Now cover this dough in a plastic wrap and refrigerate it for about 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. After 15 minutes, make sure you dust the surface and roll the dough. Keep it about a thickness of 1/4 inch and cut the cookies of your desired shape. Friends, do watch my coconut cookies recipe, of which the link I am giving in the description box, and do watch my other Christmas special recipes at the end of the video. Cut the cookies of your desired shape. Here I have some Christmas special cookie cutters. I am using them. If you do not have, you use whichever that you have, but do try making these cookies. The leftover sides of the dough, to roll it into a ball again and roll it and continue cutting the cookies as many times as it is needed. But make sure that if it's taking for you too long to all your cookies cut, till then, the ones which made earlier, refrigerate them. Preheat your oven at 150 degrees for about 15 minutes and bake these cookies at the same temperature for 15 minutes. Now these cookies look good, they remain a little of lighter color. I like making these cookies also because, especially during the Christmas time, because I involve my little ones in making these cookies, and I give the leftover dough to them to play with, and they come out with nice creativity. My little one has made a nice snowman of their own, so it keeps them busy. My cookies are ready. I have baked them at 150 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. Let them cool on the wire rack. To make these cookies look a little more festive, I am going to decorate them with royal icing. You can eat them as they are, but since it's Christmas, let's be creative. So to make royal icing, I have taken here 1.5 cup of of powdered sugar. To it I am adding egg white of 1 egg and a juice of half lemon, and beat it till it turns nice and fluffy. And friends, keep watching Melita's Delicacies for more interesting recipes that I upload every week. And if you like my recipes, then please do share it with your family and friends and help me grow my channel. Thank you in advance for your love and support. Here my icing is ready. I'm going to just add it into the piping bags, and to some I'm going to add color. I'll show you how to add color to it. If you feel like it is too thick, then add 1-2 drops of rose water or normal water will also do, and mix it again and just add as required. Add the color of your choice and mix it well. I am using gel food colors. Mix it really well and then add to your piping bag. Cut just a fine tip of your piping bag and then start decorating. Be as creative as possible. Now, don't expect that if you are doing it for the first time that your piping will come perfect until you have a hand over it. It's okay to be a little messy first time if you are doing it, but it's important that you try it doing. So, but do try this recipe. Be creative this Christmas. Involve your family members, and especially if you have little ones. And do try this with your family and enjoy this Christmas. Have a blessed Christmas, friends. Let these dry out completely before you put them in an airtight jar and to use them. Now, to make this flowy consistency of the royal icing, like the one I have done for the star, you add a little more of the rose water, mix it well and then fill it in. But trying is very important. Do try this recipe at home with your family members, involve them, and especially if you have the little ones. These are the cookies which my little ones have decorated. Do let your little ones also do so. Wishing all of you a blessed Christmas of 2021. Be blessed, be loved, lots of love from Melita's Delicacies. This is Melita wrapping up with this recipe. Thank you and God bless. Keep watching Melita's Delicacies for more interesting recipes that I upload every week. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe